Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to automatically synchronize audio and video in Wondershare Filmora. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work with any Filmora version. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. Here is our Filmora. And I'm going to my video folder. Here is my video folder. Here is my two video. First video is from my camera or the mobile, and second is from my PC or laptop screen. You can use audio or video or only audio for this purpose also. I drag these two videos or the two clips to my Filmora. Now I go to my Filmora. This is the first clip and it is from my video from my camera. You can use camera, your DSLR camera, phone camera or any camera. Okay, the second video is from my PC and I am using two mics. First from my mobile camera and second is from my microphone or the condenser microphone. Okay, now here we find the first video. I drag this to my Filmora and I select it. Second video is from my PC. I also drag this. This is our second video. Okay. Now I want to merge or the synchronize these two video. You can also detach video and audio. In this case, video and audio are combined. If you want to detach, then right click on it. And here we find detach audio. You can also detach audio and select that audio and select that audio and synchronize that audio also. But in my case, I press Ctrl Z and I select this first audio, and after that go to the second audio. Okay, it is an same audio, same recording and same video. Okay, now I select this two by the shift key or I select this by this mouse key. Select these two and there are two options to go to the synchronization. Right click on the audio and here we find auto synchronization. Okay, and second option is select these two, go to the tools. In a tools, here we find auto synchronization. You can use any option that you want. I click on the auto synchronization and depending on the clip size, it takes few minutes or seconds or few minutes to synchronize that audio. It's matched these two audio together. In this case, it is matched now. Okay, we can see at this point our audio is 99.99% match. It is 100% match. Actually, it's 100% match. I play this video from here. Okay, and here we find the play button. I play it. This is a testing video how to automatically synchronize audio and video in Wondershare Filmora, and it's work on the all Filmora version. For this video, I'm going to record my PC screen, my entire PC screen. So there is no lag or reverb, not anything. It's good video or good audio on our audio device. That means it is 110% match. And this is my original video or it is the record from my condenser microphone, and this recording is from my mobile microphone. Mobile microphone are not work as good as our condenser microphone. So I go to here and here I disable or mute this audio and I go with the first audio. Okay, now it is 99% match or 100% match. So I go to here first. This is the testing video. There is no lag or no reverb. This is the testing video. 100% match on our Synchronized audio. And so I go to the Ctrl Z. Now I play the video once again. Wondershare Filmora. No and it's work on the lag or the reverb version. 100% match for audio this video. I'm going to record. This is the simplest way to synchronize our audio and video in Wondershare Filmora. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.